Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign up for BlueWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, download and install the BlueWallet application on your iPhone or your Android devices. Once you are done, tap Open BlueWallet application. The first interface of BlueWallet app will look like this. Tap on the Add Now button in order to create a new wallet. Now, go ahead and type in your wallet's name in the first text box at the top. Once you are done, select the type of wallet you would like to sign up with and tap on Create. On the next page, go ahead and back up your mnemonic phrases. Write down these mnemonic phrases on a piece of paper in the correct order. This will be used as your backup and you can now use it to recover your wallet if you ever lose your device or delete your account. Once you are done, tap on OK, I wrote it down at the bottom, and you have now created a new wallet. Once your setup is completed, you can fund your BlueWallet by receiving Bitcoin from others or by purchasing Bitcoin through various methods. So that is how you can easily sign up for BlueWallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.